Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by making a system restore point and signing in as an administrator, because reversing changes matters if something breaks. Once done, open Settings and navigate to Update and Security, then Recovery. This ensures you reach repair options quickly. Make sure Windows is up to date before deeper fixes, since missing updates often cause security component errors. Now, select Advanced Startup and choose to boot into Repair Tools so you can run the next actionable checks. Once in Repair Tools, run Startup Repair to let Windows fix boot-related security services. Next, open Command Prompt as administrator and run sfc/scano to restore corrupted system files. This fixes many Windows security failures. If SFC flags problems it cannot fix, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Make sure to restart after each command so services reload, and then check the Windows Security app to confirm protection components appear and update correctly. To finish, reset the Windows Security app from App's Advanced Options or reinstall it via PowerShell if the UI is damaged. You do this to restore defaults. Next, verify Windows Defender services, group policy and registry keys for disabled protection, because policy conflicts often block security. If problems persist, boot into safe mode and perform a clean boot to isolate third-party interference. One key troubleshooting tip: use safe mode plus a clean boot to identify and remove the conflicting app or driver causing failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.